Welcome, contractors. If New Mexico is where you plan to grow your business, securing your contractor's license is the essential first step. My name is Roselle with Contractors Liability, and I'm here to make that process as smooth as possible by walking you through every detail. Now, this might just be the key to taking your business to the next level. So let's get started. In New Mexico, contractors' licenses are regulated by the Construction Industries Division, or CID, under the New Mexico Regulations and Licensing Department. So what's your first step? Determining your classification, whether it's a general contractor or a specialized trade like electrical or plumbing. You will then need to submit a classification request to the CID. Your business also needs a qualifying party, or QP, with relevant experience, at least 2 years for residential projects and 4 years for commercial or specialized trades. You will need to pass both a business and trade exam to show you understand the rules and can ensure your business complies with state standards. Once your QP is set, you're ready to apply for the contractor's license with the CID. This requires a few key items, including a $36 application fee, proof of a $10,000 surety bond, and your taxation registration number from the Department of Taxation and Revenue. This bond serves as a financial protection for your clients, covering regulatory compliance issues. Now, let's walk you through the insurance you will need. General liability insurance is essential to protect your business from claims related to property damage or injuries on site with third parties, with coverage typically starting at $500,000 per occurrence and annually costs you around $800 to $2,500. If you have employees, workers' compensation insurance is mandatory in the state, covering medical expenses and lost wages in the case of workplace injuries. Here is an example of an insurance certificate you will need. This document isn't just a legal requirement. It's your assurance to your client that you're covered and ready to handle any incidents that might arise on the job. It's crucial for building trust with new clients and winning more projects. Once your application is complete, submit it to the CID with all the supporting documents. Keep in mind that while the state sets basic guidelines, some cities like Albuquerque or Santa Fe might have additional local requirements, such as specialized permits or inspections. Always check with local authorities to make sure you are fully compliant. And there you have it, the essential steps for getting your contractor's license in New Mexico. With your license in hand, you'll stay compliant and open the door to new opportunities. If you need insurance to complete your application, simply click the link in the description to get a free quote. For more detailed information, check out our full blog, which is listed below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop any questions you may have in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and here's to building something amazing in New Mexico.